Hello and welcome to another video on chemistry. I'm Preetinder Kaur for Perfect Scores, and in this video our topic is significant figures. Again, a topic that is used a lot in conversions and also in additions, multiplications, divisions, subtractions, in all kinds of numericals basically. So anytime you record a measurement, it has all the digits that you actually need, plus there are a few uncertain digits as well. So the digits that actually make sense, plus a few extra uncertain ones as well. And now these certain digits plus the one uncertain digit is known as a significant figure. The relevant digits, the certain ones, plus the one extra uncertain digit, so that is called significant figures. Now it's time to revise few of the rules that you need to remember when you're talking about significant figures. So rule number 1, all the digits except zeros are significant. So all non-zero digits are significant. That's the first rule, and it's quite an easy one. For example, this quantity over here is going to have 2 significant digits. This quantity over here is going to have 4 significant digits. So this is the decimal, but all these non-zero ones are significant. Rule number 2, it states that zeros between non-zero digits are also significant. So for example, 205 is having 3 significant figures. 2.05 also has 3 significant figures. 20.05 will have 4 significant figures. That is the second rule. Then rule number 3, final zeros that are used on the right side of the decimal point are significant. For example, 4.80. This has 3 significant figures. 408.610. This has 6 significant figures. Rule number 4. So if you have zeros, and this is about numbers that are smaller than 1. So any kind of zero to the left of the decimal is not significant. For example, 0.4. This one is not significant, so the answer is you just have one significant figure. Or if the zeros are directly to the right of the decimal point, let's say 0.03. Again, this is not going to be significant. So the actual number is only 3. And that is why you have just one significant figure. So those are the rules, and let's have a look at some questions, in fact some numbers, so that you can have a better idea. Okay, let's have a look at these numbers. So over here, the 0 is insignificant, so you have 3 significant numbers. The final zeros, but it's just after the decimal point. So this is insignificant. This number also has 3 significant figures. Now these are final zeros, but they're not just after the decimal point. So they will be significant, and there are 5 significant figures here. This is just after decimal point, but the number is greater than 1. That means this 0 is between 2 non-zero digits. So they're all significant, 4 of them. It's a final 0, and it's not right after the decimal point. But this one is insignificant, so you have 4 significant figures. Now this one is right after a decimal point, and the value is less than 1. So this is insignificant, this is insignificant, so you have 3 significant figures. In this case, the 0 is not right after a decimal, and it's between 2 non-zero digits. So they're all significant. This one is not. So you have 3 significant figures. So I hope this was useful, and you'll be using this a lot of times in calculations, and the next video that you should watch would be the first practice video that we make on all the topics that we've covered so far in all the videos. So let's get started with that, and thank you so much for watching this video.